Hi guys, with Valentine's Day just around the corner, I'm sharing a super sweet and fun Valentine's Day activity for children. We are making DIY heart-shaped crayons for children to share with their friends this Valentine's Day. For this project, you are going to need crayons. Old and tattered crayons work perfectly. You'll also need a heart-shaped silicone mold. I've linked some in the description below. Start by having children remove the wrappers from each of the crayons. If you find the wrapping is too sticky and not easily removed, place the crayons in soapy water until the wrappers start to remove on their own. Next, each of the crayons need to be broken down into smaller pieces. The pieces need to be small enough to fit into our heart-shaped mold. Once you have all of your pieces broken down, have children group the colors into their desired color patterns. Keep similar colors together or mix and match a variety of colors. Fill the heart-shaped molds with the broken crayons. Transfer the mold onto a baking sheet and place the baking sheet into a 250-degree preheated oven, leaving the mold in the oven until each of the pieces of crayon are completely melted. Remove your heart-shaped silicone molds from the oven and allow the crayons to sit and rest in the mold until they are completely cooled. Next, remove the crayons from the heart-shaped molds to reveal these adorable heart-shaped crayons. Use these crayons to color the free Valentine's Day coloring pages linked in the description below. I do hope you've enjoyed this video. Remember to subscribe to my channel, comment, like, and share for more content.